In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a secondary PayPal address to a main PayPal address. Having multiple addresses linked to your PayPal account can be incredibly useful, especially if you have different billing or shipping locations, or if you simply want to manage your personal and professional addresses separately. It offers greater flexibility and helps ensure your transactions go smoothly. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can easily set up an additional address for your account. To begin, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your PayPal dashboard. This icon will take you directly to your main settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, from this general settings page, while you might see an option for security to add a new address, we actually need to head over to the Profile or Personal Info section of your account. This is where all your personal details, including addresses, phone numbers, and names, are managed. Look for a tab or section labeled Profile or Personal Info and click on it to proceed. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the Addresses section. Here, you'll see any existing addresses linked to your account. To add a new one, simply click on the Add button. This button is specifically designed to open a new form for entering address details. Upon clicking Add, a new window or section will appear, prompting you to enter the details for your secondary address. Carefully fill in all the required fields, including the street address, city, state or province, postal code, and country. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy, as incorrect information could lead to issues with future transactions or deliveries. You'll want to make sure it's exactly as you intend it to be. After you've meticulously entered all the necessary address information, the final step is to save it. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the address entry form. Click this button to confirm and add your new secondary address to your PayPal account. Once saved, you'll be redirected back to your profile page, and you should see your newly added address listed under the Addresses section.